All right, family. So my washer and dryer broke. Um, it was time for a new change anyway. So I went with the Samsung washer and dryer, and honestly, I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I love it. The washer is quick and it's nice and it's easy to use. Comes with like a multitude of settings. Same with the dryer, you can go heavy duty, you can go quick dry, all of that. It's really really easy to use and simple. I got these from Amazon. They came. I had some guys move them upstairs, and they. But what I really really love about these is that they fit a large amount of clothes. It's me here. It's my wife here. It's my kid here, and we have family and stuff come visit all the time. And these just make things easier when I got to throw in a bunch of towels or a sheet set or a blanket or something like that, and I don't need to wash it in multiple loads multiple times, and I also don't need to dry it multiple times for it to dry all the way. So if you guys are looking for a washer and dryer, I could not recommend these enough, guys. All right, get them on Amazon. Peace.